So you, like me, probably brought one of these, a K&N air filter, for the extra little bit of performance that it gives, but also for the fact that it's arguably a filter for life. You can clean it, which is great. But also, you, like me, has probably fitted it to your car and have never touched it since. So in this video, what I've done is I've got the filters out, and what we're going to do is use the K&N products to give them a clean. So here we're going to use two products. The first is the K&N cleaner. This is a kind of to degrease, decarbonate the filter. I guess other products could do an equal job, but I'm going to use the genuine K&N product. And then once clean, we're going to re-oil the filter, again choosing to use the genuine K&N filter oil. So first, let's get washing. So first up then, we're going to use our cleaner to spray the filter liberally in order to free up the dirt that's been trapped in it, inside and out. Make sure we get loads on, and then we're going to leave this for 10 minutes so that it can soak in. And now it's soaked in, we'll rinse it off. And leave it to dry. The final step then is to add the oil. So we're going to use the genuine filter oil product, and that's got this really nice flip top, so you can use that to guide along each of the filter elements. So what we do is apply the oil, run it along the top and allow it to soak down into each of the flutes. Working our way around the filter here. There we go. And that oil is what gives the filter that nice reddy colour. So you can see it's already starting to soak through. We'll leave that for half an hour. That'll be fully soaked through, and that'll be ready to go back on the car. Job done. Once again, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for all your comments. See you on the next video.